So I just got a new patient by the name of Linda Carter. She came in for leg cramping. Dr. Hu has prescribed her 20 MEq of potassium chloride, PO, daily, timestamp for today and for now. I'm going to just check with Amara and make sure that it's the correct medication, the correct amount. I went into Lamar. It says 20 MEq of potassium chloride for the patient Linda Carter, date of birth 050555, MRN is 198326. She came in for leg cramping. I'm going to go talk to my patient, introduce myself, explain why we are giving this medication, and see if she has any questions or concerns before going and grabbing that medication for her. Okay? Hi, Miss Linda. How are you today? Good? Okay. My name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse. I see that you came in complaining of some leg pain. Is that correct? Okay. Can you just verify your name and date of birth for me? Linda Carter, 050555. Okay, any no allergies? No allergies? Okay, great. So, when you're in the emergency room, they drew your labs and showed that your potassium levels were a little low. Normally we like them between a 3.5 and a 5.2, and you came in right around 3.0. So Dr. Hu has prescribed you potassium chloride. Have you ever had that before? No? Okay, so potassium is very important for your entire body. It helps keeping your heart and kidney and nerves working properly. It is a supplement that's going to help keeping your electrolytes balanced and make sure that your heart's pumping properly. So because your electrolytes and your potassium was low, that's probably why you're having the leg cramps. So Dr. Hu prescribed this medication for you to help with that and replace your potassium. Is that okay? Okay. So do you have any questions, or do you have any issues with swallowing or eating? No? Okay, all right. Well, I'm just going to have you drink some water, okay? And see how you do with that first, okay? Did that go okay? Okay, so do you have any questions about that medication that Dr. Hu prescribed for you? Yes, it's just going to be an oral medication. It is pretty big tablet, so it dissolves quickly, so that's why I had you try see how you do with water, and you told me that you don't have any issues with it, so you should be okay with that, okay? I'm just going to go grab that medication, and I'll be right back. Do you have any questions or concerns before then? Yeah, so the potassium chloride is an oral medication, and it's going to replace your potassium from being low, help with your heart pumping, keeping your cells and kidneys all working properly. Okay, and hopefully subsiding that leg cramping. Okay, here's your call out in your water, Miss Linda. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so I'm going into the MAR, pulling my medication. I'm going to verify that it's the same potassium chloride, 20 MEq. The written order says 20 MEq of potassium chloride, PO, prescribed by Dr. Hu, and for the patient Linda Carter. Date of birth is 050555. She has no known allergies. It is for today and timestamp now. All right, gonna go back in. Hi, Linda. You still doing okay? All right, good. Sanitize my hands. I'm gonna walk into the computer. All right, so can you verify your name and date of birth one more time? I'm gonna scan the wristband. Medication. Okay, good. Yeah, Linda Carter. What's your date of birth? 050555. Okay, great. And do you have any allergies? No. Okay. And there are no allergies on the band. Okay, great. So, like I said, this tablet is pretty big, as you can see, and it dissolves pretty quickly. So you just want to take it and drink it with some water. Okay. Do you have any questions before I give that to you? No? Okay. All right, here you go, Miss Linda. All right, I'm going to document that I gave her that medication. Miss Linda, did it go down okay? All right, you need another sip of water? Okay. here you go. All right, here's your water and your coli. So if you start feeling any nausea, dizziness, palpitations in your chest, please let me know, okay? And if your leg cramping doesn't subside, please let me know as well, okay? Do you need anything in the meantime? No? Okay. I will be back in and check on you in 30 minutes, okay, Miss Linda? Okay.